Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing the June BoxyCharm unboxing haul. I've heard such good things about this month's box in particular, so I'm super excited to be sharing with you guys what's inside June's box. This is my BoxyCharm box for the month of June, and in case you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's basically a monthly makeup subscription service where you pay $21 a month and you get a box full of 4 to 5 full-size makeup products, and sometimes, like this month and last month, the box came with an extra makeup item. So then sometimes you also get 6 makeup items, which is a bonus, and you're literally paying $21 to get 4 to 6 full-sized makeup products, which is literally so good. If you're interested in purchasing your own BoxyCharm, then you could go ahead and click the link down below in my description box. That link will send you right over to BoxyCharm's website where you can sign up to get your own BoxyCharm every month for only $21. And if you love makeup, I definitely do recommend that you invest in this because it's so fun getting new makeup products every month and knowing that you paid such a little amount for it. It's amazing. So without further ado, I don't want to keep talking too long. I'm just going to show you guys what's inside June's BoxyCharm box. So when you open it up, the BoxyCharm boxes always come with this little card inside of it, and this little card usually contains coupons and also lists every single makeup item that's inside the box and how much it retails for and the description of the product. The coupon this month is for Sol de Janeiro. It says to visit soldejaneiro.com. I'm literally probably butchering that name, but you get 20% off on their website. It lists all the different makeup products and how much it retails for, so that's always good, so you can see what its specific use is and how much you would be paying for it if you bought it individually. And it's really fun to add up all these at the end to see how much you're really saving with BoxyCharm. The first item in June's BoxyCharm box is this eyeshadow palette, and it's from Alamar Cosmetics. I'm probably saying that wrong too, so don't hate on me, guys, don't hate on me. Anyways, it comes with a bunch of opaque different eyeshadow colors. This palette just gives me a tropical vibe, and I love that because it's summer finally, and that makes me so happy. So I'm really excited to try out and play around with all these different colors. Ooh, La Costa looks really pretty. I'm super excited to try that one out. It's like a shimmery, neutral brown color. I am a sucker for orange eyeshadow. I love orange eyeshadow looks, so I'm definitely going to be using that one a lot. And of course, you can't go wrong with a shimmery gold eyeshadow. Oh, and on the back it says that this eyeshadow palette is inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba. That is so cool. My boyfriend Jonathan is half Cuban, so I should like be like, babe, let me do your eyeshadow with my new palette that's inspired by Cuba. It's your culture. Maybe he'll let me do it if I use this palette. This kind of matches my shirt a little. Let me see how much that retails for. That palette retails for $28. So that palette alone is already worth more than the whole box itself. So you can see how much of a good deal BoxyCharm is already. I was super excited when I saw these in the box. This month's box also came with some eyelashes. This is from the brand Baddington Lashes, and these are the Monroe Silk Lashes. They look really, really, really pretty, and I love putting on fake eyelashes for like special events. So I hope I have a special event coming up soon that I can wear these to. On here, this says that these are good for up to 25 applications with proper care. That is really good. These lashes retail for $28 as well. Can I just say I love the packaging for this. It's so cute and dainty. I love it. The next product in this box is this Brazilian bum cream. I'm kind of curious as to what this is for, so let me read the description on it. So it says it's inspired by Brazilians' favorite feature, the bum bum. That is so funny. So it's creamy and rich, and the pistachio caramel leaves skin delicately fragranced. Ooh! I really want to smell this now. Caramel got me sold already. That smells bomb. So this is a body cream, so I believe you can use this all over your body. The next product in this month's box are these Luxie face brushes. It comes with a powder brush, foundation brush, and a tapered highlighter brush. And can I just say, these colors are adorable. It's my favorite colors all in one, pink and rose gold. I love it. So I'm very excited to use new brushes because, you know, a girl can always use new brushes. This trio brush set retails for $42. Wow, oh my gosh. This is a tapered highlighter brush. It feels really soft. Oh, and if you guys like see red bumps on my arm, I got bit by mosquitoes. Again, mosquitoes literally love me. I literally get bit by them all summer and it sucks. I don't know why. If someone knows the reason why mosquitoes bite people more often than others, comment down below because I'm really curious to know. I don't know if it's like the blood type you have or what, but like mosquitoes freaking love me and it's really annoying. So I need to find a solution real quick. And then we got this Jaunty Blue waterproof eyeliner pencil. Oh my god, it's so embarrassing. So this is a vegan waterproof eyeliner pencil. Ooh. Cool. This retails for $5. I want to see. It says it's supposed to glide on really smoothly. It does glide on pretty smoothly. I always need new eyeliner pencils, so I'm glad that this came in it. And this is also color charcoal or black, whatever you want to call it. The last makeup item is this long-lasting liquid lipstick, and this is by the brand Ofra. I'm probably saying that wrong again. This lipstick retails for $21. I'm gonna see what the color looks like because this is similar to the color I got last BoxyCharm box, but that color was kind of more pinkish. I kind of hope this is more darkish nude-ish because I like that kind of color a little bit more. So let's see. Okay. I am feeling this liquid lipstick. I really love this color. So that was everything that was inside BoxyCharm's box for the month of June. If you guys want to sign up to get your own BoxyCharm for only $21 a month, then click the link down below in my description box and it'll send you right over to BoxyCharm's website where you can sign up to get your own BoxyCharm every month. Also, if you don't follow me on social media, I'll leave all my social media links down below in the description box as well, and I'll also put my social media @names right up here on the screen if you guys want to check out my Instagram and Twitter. I'm posting a lot more on social media and on my YouTube channel since it is summer, so make sure to click that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I believe that's it for this video. Comment any video suggestions you guys have down below that you guys would like me to do, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!